how crucial understanding data pipelines is in today's data-driven world? Imagine data as a river. Data pipelines are like the channels that guide this river, moving data from one location to another, transforming it from raw, unprocessed elements into useful, insightful information. They are the hidden workhorses operating behind the scenes, ensuring that data flows smoothly and accurately. From managing to analyzing, data pipelines play a pivotal role in making sense of the enormous data around us. Data pipelines are the backbone of any data-driven decision-making process. Data pipelines might seem complex, but they can be broken down into simple steps. First, data is extracted from different sources. It could be databases, files, or even streamed real-time from various applications. This raw data is often unstructured and needs some tidying up, which brings us to the second step, transformation. During transformation, raw data is cleaned, validated, and often reformatted to a more usable state. It's like turning raw ingredients into a delicious meal. Once the data is prepared, it's time for the third step, loading. The transformed data is loaded into a data warehouse, where it is stored for further analysis. But the work doesn't stop there. Monitoring and maintaining data pipelines is crucial. This ensures that the data flowing through the pipeline is of high quality and integrity. Regular checks help identify and fix any issues early on, keeping the data pipeline running smoothly. So, data pipelines are all about extracting, transforming, and loading data with a keen eye on quality control. Nowasys takes the complexity out of data pipelines. Picture this, a world where data pipelines are uncomplicated and their creation and maintenance a breeze. That's the world Nowasys is building. Designed for data enthusiasts, Nowasys simplifies the understanding and implementation of data pipelines. It's a one-stop solution, a sanctuary for those seeking to unravel the mysteries of data pipelines. With Nowasys, mastering data pipelines has never been easier. Knowledge is power, and with this power you can earn dollars and happiness.